I'm Evan, I'm the CEO of SIELO Robotics, and we're building the intelligence layer for care robots. So me and my co-founders met about 3 years ago at Ottawa Engineering. We'd all seen the problems in physical care. My sister spent a year in care as a kid. My co-founder's friend had muscular dystrophy, saw his muscles waste as he grew up. And our other co-founder spent a year actually providing care in long term. So we knew there was a massive problem that we were really passionate about solving. We then brought on a PhD in robotics and a humanoid robotics engineer to help us solve this, as well as some exited medical device founders. The problem we're solving is that everyone will eventually need physical care, and labor can't keep up. It's about 140 million people that can't eat, dress, bathe, handle any kind of daily task on their own. And the care that they require is extremely expensive, $70,000 to $130,000 a year. And because the aging population is growing so rapidly, we're projecting massive caregiver shortages. 10 million healthcare workers are going to be missing in the next 4 years. There's no solution that labor can provide. So to fix that, we built a wheelchair-mounted robotic arm so users can eat, drink, and live on their own. On the left, you can see Hollis picking up a cup for the first time in 10 years. On the right, you can see our new arm, which is already controlled with voice control. The way our business model works, we sell our arms for $20,000 each. Insurance covers this already in 14 US states through Medicaid, either from 75 to 100% of the cost of the device. And we collect 84 to 92% gross margins at that product price. Users like Hollis start off by controlling it with a joystick, so they can open doors, grab cups, do all these things independently. And then as we collect that data, we're able to turn that into AI voice commands, which makes it about 10 times faster than traditional joystick control that our competitors use. And at our $20,000 price point, we're about 4 times cheaper than the best alternative, and we're patenting why we can be so cheap. What's amazing about this is that each wheelchair arm teaches the intelligence layer for all future care robots. So we start with wheelchair arms. Users are doing 50 to 200 tasks per day, opening doors, picking things up, feeding themselves. And through that, we're able to collect a massive skill library, real-world data operating off of our hardware that we know works. Now, not only does that make the wheelchair arm performance better, but we can generalize that to any care robot and become the layer that they all trust. Now, users and organizations desperately want what we have. We have $420,000 USD in letters of intent from units and organizations. They're already going through and getting funding for the devices. They're just waiting for the arm to be ready. And we've got some great partnerships with amazing healthcare organizations. Right now, we're raising $750,000 USD to launch 30 arms in the next 18 months, get 5,000 hours of data towards that intelligence layer. We signed our LOI, so we signed our lead investor on Tuesday, and the remainder, the other third with angels and family and friends, and we're now closing the final third of our round over the next 2 weeks. That gets us a patent on our cost structure that enables us to be a quarter the price of competitors. Our Class 1 medical device certification gets us to initially launch 10 units and then 30 units and collect 5,000 hours of data towards building that intelligence layer. We're SIELO Robotics. We're building the robotic intelligence layer by helping people in wheelchairs live on their own. Thank you.